Just enjoy life. We will never be this young again. Time moves fast, and every moment is precious. Cherish the little things, live with no regrets, and embrace every experience as it comes. Life is fleeting, so make the most of it. Love deeply, laugh often, and live fully.
Sometimes you need to be alone, not to be that lonely, but to enjoy your free time, being yourself.
Alam mo, habang tumatanda ako, mas nare-realize ko yung halaga ng konsepto ng always choose your peace. Hindi lahat ng tao deserve yung energy natin. Hindi lahat ng bagay kailangan bigyan ng pansin. Saka, hindi na importante sa akin kung ano yung iniisip nila, basta ako lalagay ako sa tahimik. Kasi gusto ko ng peace of mind.